Okay, just got these Viviva Colorfolds, the summer set. One thing I'm thinking is I want to compare the size of the chips to these. See if it's the same size. And I want to check it out before I start using it. So, here goes the initial open. Pretty beautiful set. Paper is the color. What's up with this? Is that what's supposed to hold it together? Let's leave that on for now. Unfolding. Includes 2 neon colors, 16 visible at once, compact and portable. Especially for going outside, you definitely want compact and portable. Alright. It's good they kept doing this. I found with these, it works very, very good for you. And yep, it shows you right in the way it's folded together. You don't want to fold this back over this way because you'll get these colors onto it. But let's check the chip size. I mean, those are really used. Let's find ones that aren't so used. Chip size is the same, so you're still getting the same amount of colors as you would with one of these. But I love the color choices. I gotta make a color chip, or I normally call them cheat sheets, to stuff right here and fold over and then fold over. You'll see I'll do that in a few. Definitely want to try this neon yellow. I've got ideas for that. But my only concerns would be two things. If you're outside, here wait. If you're outside and it gets windy, this could blow away from you easily and you'll have to go running chasing it. And the other thing is that this is bent up. When you put the water on it, it's going to drip and blend into the other colors, so the colors won't stay as pure. Just a couple ideas, thinking. But, of course, you can, when you open it, fold it back a little. Fold it back a little. Yeah, that'll work so it doesn't drip on itself. But otherwise, the blowing away may be a concern because I do live in a high wind area. But my plans, I already did a preliminary drawing on watercolor paper, and this is what I'm going to create.